welcome to my channel Yearn to Learn. Today I'm going to simply tell you how to join a meeting on Cisco Webex. So there are two ways you can join a meeting, either by the meeting number or by the invitation link that is sent by the meeting host, also called meeting presenter, at your email ID. So first let us see if the email invite is being sent to you. Then what you need to do, you will go to your email account, click on that email, it will appear like this. You have to click here, join meeting. As you can see, I'm clicking here again. As you can see here, access code is also given. So this is another way, but here we have just clicked the link, and after clicking the link, this page will appear, which is asking you, now this is a desktop version that I'm using, so it is asking me whether I want to open Cisco Webex Meeting. So I'm clicking here as yes, I want to, and here is the room, the meeting room that I have joined. Now this is Priya Handa's personal room and this is a meeting going on. So I have clicked here, join meeting, and I am in that meeting. Now you can see on the very right side, first one is your name that is appearing and the second one is the meeting host. So this is how it would look. Now you will be a part of the meeting. You can see that you are muted. It depends on the settings done by the host, whether you can mute or unmute yourself. Then whether you can share the video or not. Then this is whether screen sharing is allowed to you. Since the host has not turned it off, so I can share my screen. And then here I can view the different interface of this, that my screen will be maximized. Although this button also shows the list of participants at the right. This is the chat window. If you'll click here, it will appear here. You can see at the extreme right bottom. Now this chat, if I'll type something, it will go to everyone. If there are more members in the meeting, you can also change it to a specific person, for example host and presenter. So whatever you will write will go to the host only. So this is how you can privately chat with the participants if there is an availability, or if you want that chat should be visible to everyone, you can choose everyone from here and then send it. Now again, this setting is depending upon the host, whether host has set it to everyone or has disabled the option and you can only send messages to host through this chat. So there is not much to learn about. If you are on the other side, then you are a participant. There are a lot of options here that you can explore. These are more options: copy meeting link, audio connections that you can see. Usually those who participate in the meeting have these issues, so you have to be very particular which mode you are joining. Are you using a speaker and microphone? Are you using a headset, or are you using your device setting? So this is again very important. So while we have small icons here at the bottom, you can see tabs here at the top: file, edit, share, view, audio, participant, meeting, and help. So these tabs are nothing but more related to these icons that are given at the bottom. If you will click file, you can see open chat. Now chat is already opened here. You can do it by clicking at this button also. Then if you want to save your chat, then you can save it. What you have to save chat. These options are available. You want to name it, then you save as chat, you can name it. Similarly, if you want to print, and the last option here is leave meeting. If you want to leave the meeting, you go to edit. Your preferences are there. You can explore it on your own. So this is share. You can share your content by clicking here. View, how do you want to view in panels, show or hide meeting controls, what is the layout. Audio connection, I was telling you. Now here audio, same options are there. Otherwise, if you will click here for the audio connections, you will see the same options, audio connections. Then meeting and meeting room is there. Now information, and if you want, you can put any welcome message. So these things are there. But what if you are not, I'm just leaving this meeting, what if you are not having the invitation mail and you have only the code? Now say you are having the code, so what you have to do, let us copy this link from here and then paste it. After pasting the link, press enter. Unlike Zoom, it does not need a password. So here you are, open Cisco Webex Meeting. Now since it was not by invitation and was just by the name, it is asking that you can join the meeting after the host admits you. So it's up to the host. Now on the other end, I am enabling it to admit. So that's how it will be admitted. But if the host denies you to admit in the meeting room, then you will not be able to attend the meeting. So these were the two ways by which you can join Cisco Webex Meeting. It was not at all difficult. Hope you get it. Enjoy learning. Stay engaged. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. May God bless you all. Thank you.